Oh, you came and tucked your way into my heart. Oh, you look at me in ways I never loved.
Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make this wig. This is like a requested video because most of you asked me on my previous videos if they can glue the braids instead of sewing them. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to glue them, but I didn't finish making the wig with a glue. I decided to sew again. So the reason why I didn't finish making this wig without a glue is because these are two caps. This is a lace and this is like cotton. So if you make this wig with this cap, of course the glue is going to work on this cap, but it didn't work on this cap. The glue was like absorbing, the hair was absorbing the glue instead of being attached on the cap. So it will work on this part, but it won't work on this part. So I just stopped and started sewing it on the cap. In this video I used this glue. It's called Lanel. On my previous video I've been using the same bonding glue, but then it was like Excel. So for this one I think it is perfume. Like when it dries it smells good, but the other one when it dries it doesn't have like a pleasant smell. I prefer if you just sew the braids or sew the weaves instead of using the glue, because the reason I'm telling you this is because there's a wig I made for my mom. It was beautiful. I used glue, but then after some times, after she sweat, like the glue became sticky and the weave started coming out. And then also like with this when you use this glue, you don't have to use oil on your hair, like too much oil. Like let me say if you use this glue and the oil gets on the glue, like it becomes sticky and it might come out. And then I also have like I think 4 wigs that I used glue, but the reason why like the wigs didn't come out is because I don't wear them often, and then I don't like apply a lot of oil on it. But then if I apply a lot of oil on it, it is going to, the wigs are going to come out. So there's a wig I'll make like maybe next week, but I'll use glue. But then as I've told you, I prefer sewing other than using the glue. So if you want any of my wigs, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below, so you can contact me and I will make it for you if you want this, if you want any of my wigs. Okay, so let's get into the tutorial. I've already marked the shape of my hairline on the cap. So the first thing you're supposed to do is mark the shape of your hairline on the cap so that it guides you on where to sew the braids. And then of course you need the braids, glue, and I'm going to use this paper to cover my block because I don't want the glue to get on my block.
Oh, you came and tucked your way into my heart. Oh, you look at me in ways I never loved.
I love starting with the middle braid because it guides me on where to sew the other braids. So the shape of your lines or the shape of your cornrows are determined by the first braid. So how you sew the first braid or how you pin down the first braid is going to determine the shape of your cornrows. So if you want it straight, then the first line should be straight. And then if you want it to have this shape, then this is how you're going to pin it down. And then now the other braids will just follow the same shape. So I'm going to pin down the braids and then glue them down.
Oh, you came and tucked your way into my heart. Oh, you look at me in ways I never loved. With you I know that this is all, so I don't need to take it slow. If you want me, then I believe that there's a simple remedy. We don't need no miracle, I think we've seen it all, just make the call. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle, it's unconditional, just make the call, and I'll be yours. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle, it's unconditional, just make the call, and I'll be yours.
I was applying glue on the braids, then pinning them down just to get that support before they dry. And then just when I thought that some of them were dry, some started slipping, and it was actually becoming tiresome because I kept on applying glue and then pinning them down. So I decided to glue down one side just to see if it was going to work. So I glued them down and left it to dry for some few hours, but then some stuck on the cap, but then some, as you can see, Like it was at this point I realized like I was just doing like zero work, so I stopped and decided to sew them. And then I also thought it's because of this polythene bag, but then on my previous videos that I've used glue, like I used polythene bag, but then the braids just stuck on the cap, and so I just stopped and decided to sew the braids.
You came and tucked your way into my heart. Oh, you look at me in ways I never loved. With you I know that this is all, so I don't need to take it slow. If you want me, then I believe that there's a simple remedy. We don't need no miracle. I think we've seen it all. Just make the call. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle. It's unconditional. Just make the call, and I'll be yours. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle. It's unconditional. Just make the call, and I'll be yours.
To cover the space at the back, I decided to sew the braids like lines, and this method is easier compared to like doing braids, and then you won't even use so many braids.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more
Since there were some spaces on top after I sewed the lines, I decided to do some braids. I did like just 5 braids to cover the spaces.
breaks these painkillers, take me somewhere unfamiliar, bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out.
To create the baby hair, I always crochet any soft hair that I have on the hairline.
Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find someone.
So as you can see, it looks so natural. So I was comparing my baby hair with this one for Closure. This one is Closure, and like there's no difference, it just looks so perfect. And then you don't have to do the baby hair if you don't want to. Like you can see this one, this bob, it doesn't have like baby hair, but it's just okay. So if you don't want to make the baby hair, you don't have to, but then the baby hair makes the wig look so natural.
Take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar.
The reason why I saw these lines like this instead of braiding them is because I didn't want it to be heavy. And then I saw 2 combs on the sides. I didn't sew the combs at the back because I'm going to use these adjustable straps. This is the part where I applied glue and it has already dried. If you want this cap to fit without attaching an elastic band on it, there are loops right here. So instead of like meeting them here in the middle like this, you can just pull this to this side and then pull this to this other side like this. But I think if I do that, it will be small for my head like that. And then you take this other one and insert it there, you know, so that it fits. But then for me, I'm not going to do that because it might be smaller. I think that is okay, the size is okay.
Empty hearts and neon lights, it feels tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar.
There's a construction going on outside my window. These people are just nailing things. So let me just do the baby hairs and then I will be guys. So let me do the baby hairs off the camera and then I'll be back. So let me just wrap this and leave it for like 5 minutes.
Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly.
So you can just style this hair like this. Like you see at the back, this is how it looks at the back.
Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to...
If you want, you can glue this hair down, but you can just wear it like this because the cap fits so well. And then here on the sides, this is how it looks on the side. You can as well glue it if you want to, but it's okay like this. Like, no need to use glue, and you can just wear it like this with the combs. Like, I love this hair because like anyone can wear it, because like it's just a simple style, it's not complicated. And then the length is not that long, and then it's also light.
I got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah, for my broken heart, no remedy. But maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. I do you do cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. Oh, my darkest memories, now let me fall back. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. You can get away with it. Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do cause I'm feeling so good.
So guys, if you want me to make you this wig, I'll leave my details in the description box down below so that you can contact me. So guys, that was it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.
Yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy. But maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do cause I'm feeling so good. my darkest memories, now let me fall back. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. You can get away with it, 'cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. What's the need?